What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I will be doing a chunky braid out on my hair. I am starting with semi-washed hair. It was like a mid-week situation, so I only washed it with conditioner, so you may see a little bit of flaky, but that's okay. It goes away. So now I'm just getting ready to detangle my hair and get to the process. I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Detangler. So you're going to see me put that on my hair, and then I'm going to use my Denman brush. Once I'm done detangling, I'm just going to add some of this curl activator from the same line, just a little bit on top of each section. I personally like to use curl enhancers when I'm doing my styles. I just feel like it adds more definition, but any styling product works. So I'm just going to take a small amount, put it on that section, and detangle again and get to the braid. And just a quick tip, when you're doing the braid, make sure those pieces are the same size. This will help you avoid having to share hair at some point in the braid, which causes frizziness and just complications when you're taking them out. And if you feel like your hair is still not detangled well, definitely take your comb or brush and just take it through there one more time. And once I get to about 1 inch or so above the end of my hair, I do take the remaining hair and swirl it around my finger. And I'm also going to add a perm rod. The reason I'm adding a perm rod is because some of my ends in the front are very straight due to damage, and I just decided to put a perm rod on every section versus just doing the ones in the front just for some uniformity. And yep, that's pretty much what I'm going to do for each section. So I'm just going to let it speed up here, and I will come back to you guys when it's the next day. So it's the next day, and I'm just going to take my blow dryer and go over the braids a little bit because they were still kind of damp and I didn't have time to wait. So if you have time, I would say definitely wait and just let them completely air dry, but I didn't have that much time. So after this, I'm just going to take my oil and coat all of those braids, and then I'm going to start taking down the perm rods and just taking down the braids. And now that all of the braids are down, I'm just going to start separating. Now, I am not that cautious or tedious when I separate. I personally like frizz. I like the bushiness of it. So if you would like to be a little bit more careful, I would say just separate where your hair naturally wants to separate. Don't force it. Kind of play around with the pieces to see if they just want to naturally separate. I personally don't care. I enjoy the frizziness. I like the volume, so I'm just not as cautious as you can see. So now I'm just gonna finish separating, and that's pretty much the video. At the end I'm gonna do a little slow-mo for you, girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. There's still like a minute or two left in the video, so yeah, see you on my next one.